Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can edit photos in Freepik AI. This is really useful for designers, marketers, or anyone who wants to enhance images quickly without complex software. So from your home page, what you will have to do is you will look for image editor or photo editor, and yeah, just go ahead and click that. And then what you will have to do is you will just have to drop an image here or browse from your computer or whatever device that you may be using. So once you've chosen your picture, you will just have to use the tools like the crop, the rotate, the resize, or adjust color. So yeah, it really depends on you. There are a lot of tools that you can choose from once you've successfully dropped or uploaded your image. And yeah, that's basically just it. And you could also apply filters or AI enhancements for lighting, shadows, and sharpness if this feature is available for you, that is. So yeah, you could also use AI powered background removal or replacement if needed. And you could also add text, overlays, or logos using the AI assisted design suggestions. And after all that, you will just have to preview the edits and make final adjustments and confirm. And you will of course download your final image, whether in ping, jpeg, or your preferred format. So yeah, that's basically just it. You just gotta experiment with the website so that you will be able to actually maximize all of its features. And uh and of course the image editor section as well. Just go and experiment with bunch of tools here. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an amazing day.